How to log in into Doterra account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can log in into Doterra account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser and in the search bar, type in doterra.com. That is doterra.com. Then press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to log in, navigate to top right corner, click on this account button and here go to login again. Now again you will land on the sign in page. To log in into doTERRA account, first of all you have to enter the email or the doTERRA ID. So make sure you type in the email that is linked with your account or you could also continue with your doTERRA ID. Once you are done with that, under that you have to enter your correct password that is linked with your account. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forget password. Click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. Once you're done entering your credential, all you have to do is click on login button, and with that you'll be logged into your doTERRA account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.